How to schedule Reddit posts using the mobile app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Reddit on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. Then, click on the plus sign at the bottom, which is Create. After you've clicked on the plus sign, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, at the top, click on Select a Community. After you've clicked on select the community where you want to post. Then add your title, add your body text. If you want to add any links, images, or poll at the bottom, you can click on it. Then click on the three dots at the top right. In here, click on Start on Date. And then select the date you want to schedule your post for. Then press on OK. Then at the bottom, you will find Starts at Time. Click on it. After you've clicked on Starts at Time, select the time you want to post and press on OK. After you've done that, press on Post at the top right corner of your screen and it will be scheduled and posted at time. This is how to schedule Reddit posts using the mobile app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.